Today, we're going to learn about fractions, a half and quarters. Kids, do you know what a half and quarters mean? Let's take a look at the giant pizza Grandma made for me.
Today was Mia's birthday. Her grandma, who was a wonderful cook, had made a giant pizza.
Mia, today you'll learn about fractions with this magic pizza. First, let's cut it into 2 equal pieces. This is called a half.
So, if I take one piece, that means I have 1/2 of the pizza?
Exactly. Now, let's cut each half into 2 smaller pieces. Now, each piece is 1/4 of the whole pizza.
That means if I take one piece, I have 1/4 of the pizza?
That's right. And if you take 2/4, it's the same as taking 1/2.
Fractions are fun and delicious. Hey kids, have you mastered the concepts of half and quarter? Let me test you. Looking at the 3 pictures above, which one represents a whole? Which one represents a half? And which one represents a quarter? That's right. This is a whole, this is a half, and this is a quarter. How about these? Which fraction does the colored part belong to? Let's think about it. How many equal parts are in the whole shape? And how many of those parts are colored? Once we count, we can express the fraction as colored part, total parts. For example, if a shape is divided into 4 equal parts and 1 part is colored, the fraction would be 1/4. If 3 parts are colored, the fraction would be 3/4. If 2 parts are colored, which fraction does the colored part belong to? If 2 parts are colored and 2 parts are uncolored, they have the same amount. This means there are 2/4, which is the same as dividing 1 whole into 2 equal parts. Therefore, the fraction is also 1/2. Kids, that's all for today's lesson on fractions. See you next time. Bye-bye.